All right. Today I'm here to teach about how to diagnose bad power steering pump. How to diagnose power steering pump. Here's the power steering pump. Yes. So how to diagnose it? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me everywhere. Then you can see or you can get my videos that I always post. So this is it. I'm going to spark the car and then know how to teach how to diagnose it and to get know that your power steering is good or bad. So follow me. Let's go. So this is how you want to diagnose it. And then here is the power steering container. And then this is the power steering pump. Here is the power steering pump. And then there's the container. So this one, we are going to place it and check whether the pump is good or the pump is bad. That's going to diagnose it. So let's go inside the car and see whether the steer is hard or soft. Let me teach you something. Follow me. Come in the inside. Okay, so this is it. So now you can see that you can see that yes. So the steering pump is soft, it's good. So let's go and check. If it is bad, I'll teach you how to diagnose it well and see if it is bad. So let's go to the engine side again. So this is it. So if you turn the steering, and then notice that it's hard. Sometimes if you turn the steer, you hear the pump making certain sound. Some sound like there's no power steering or some fluid, no fluid inside the power steering pump. So if you notice that, check this and see inside is boiling. If inside is not boiling, take off the container, power steering container, and then wash inside with petrol. Wash inside with petrol. After that, then you fill it again because sometimes some dirt, some particles block the waste of the net. Some net is inside this container, so if it's blocked by dust and then small particles, the fluid can't flow to the pump. So you wash inside, then you fill it and start it again. After starting it, don't turn the steer instant, but wait and let the pump work small. After that, then you turn the steer and see. Immediately you hear the sound, and then you go back again, then you check the steering. Check the steering if it is hard. If it is hard, then you come back and then let somebody turn the steering for you and check the sound of the pump. The sound of the pump, then say yes, the pump is no good. Because the others, and then the pump is still hard, the steering is still hard, and the pump is making same sound, that means your pump is no good. That you need to change it. So this is how to diagnose it. Know that your steering pump is not good. Yes, subscribe to the garage everywhere. Thank you.